Hey, found that a piece of the paint surface of your car was rubbed off? Don't rush to the repair shop to spend a lot of money. Today I will teach you how to do it yourself and easily repair a small area of paint surface falling off. Step 1. Clean and sand. First, wash the damaged area thoroughly with water and car wash fluid. Then, the crucial step comes, sanding. Dip some water in fine sandpaper and gently sand the edges of the falling area. This step is to smooth out the raised burrs and allow a smooth transition between the old and new paint surfaces. Just sand until you feel it with your hands. Finally, wipe the water and powder with a towel to ensure the surface is spotless. Step 2. Evenly replenish the soil. Next is the priming work. Take out the putty, which is often referred to as replenishing the soil. Squeeze out an appropriate amount and use the included small scraper to apply thinly and evenly to the exposed primer area. Note that it should be slightly higher than the original paint surface because it will shrink when dry. Then, just be patient and let it dry completely. Step 3. Spray the paint carefully. After the replenishment soil is dry, if the surface is not smooth enough, you can use fine sandpaper to sand it slightly. After cleaning, it comes to the most core step, spray paint. Shake well the special self-spray paint you bought. Try spraying it on the newspaper first to find the feel. When officially spraying paint, use a fast and uniform sweeping method at a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters from the paint surface. Remember the formula, then spray many times. For each spray layer, let it dry a few minutes apart and repeat 2 to 3 times until completely covered. Step 4. Gloss protection. The last step is to make the repair glow. After the paint is completely dry, use the same method of thin spray multiple times to spray varnish. This layer of varnish protects the paint and allows the color and brightness to blend perfectly with the original car paint. Look, the repair is complete. As long as you are bold and careful, this little injury can be done by yourself. Save time and money. Have you learned?